DJI Mini 4 Pro Mastershots. Got that coming up next. Bill Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. This DJI Mini 4 Pro is every bit as much fun to fly as a DJI Air 3. You're probably going to get sick of me saying that as well too. Today we went ahead and did master shots, and I did two master shots. I did one at the gatehouse to the entrance to our development, and I also did one at the water fountain at the entrance to our development. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take the DJI Mini 4 Pro up. We have 24 satellites. Screen recording is underway, and we're going to test master shots today with the Mini 4 Pro. So let's go ahead and take off here.
Take off. Home points updated.
Up to about 100 feet here. Okay, we are there. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Got a partly cloudy day here, which is really actually pretty good. That's a little too much there. That's looking better. Okay, there we go. All right. ...120 feet, 26 miles an hour. It's looking really good here. Kind of an ideal day. It's partly cloudy outside. Makes it real nice to be able to see the RC2 screen. Okay, we are coming up on that storage shed, and let's go ahead and flip it around here. And I love that AR return to home. You can see the return to home point there. That is fantastic. I absolutely love that. We're headed for some fall weather here in Florida. Going to have probably in the next week or so, it'll have some temperatures in the 60s. Wow. In the morning, but probably 80s during the day, which is a big relief, and lower humidity, which is a very big relief for us here. And you might be able to hear it flying overhead. It is a very quiet drone. Okay, we're coming up on the entrance to the development, and this is where we're going to do our master shots here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take it out just a little bit. And back it up here. Slow it down a little bit. Okay, I think we're there. So let's go ahead and let's open that up. Master shots. Over there. Okay. We're going to be doing the entrance to the development here. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, master shots is underway. It's doing the droning right now. We're doing circle. Doing a pitch up plus fly forward. And roll plus fly forward. Doing the circle now. Circle close, zoom in and out here. And we're about 60% done. A good look at our development here. Doing a medium circle right now. Doing rocket. Camera straight plus descend. Okay. At 93% complete. Camera straight plus circle. Master shots complete. Aircraft returning to original location. Okay, it is back to where it is. Recording screen. Okay, looks like that is done. Awesome. So let's go ahead. We're going to slide it over here a little bit. And just pitch the gimbal. And we're going to go ahead and do master shots with the fountain right there. So let's go ahead and start that.
3, 2, 1.
I am very, very thankful Master Shots is on all DJI drones. It is an incredible feature, and it allows you to get some incredible shots that are next to impossible to do it by yourself. We're at 62% battery left, 26 satellites. Also getting a real good perspective on our development here. We're getting close to being done. We should have enough occupancy to take over the HOA probably December or January this year, which is a welcome change. We're kind of crossing our fingers that maybe we can lower our quarterly HOA fees, which are kind of astronomical. So I love this close-in shot here of the fountain at the entrance. That's fantastic. Medium circle here. That's going to do a rocket. We're about 65% of the way done. Camera down plus fly forward. 57% battery. That's a beautiful shot. up above the fountain, the entrance. That is absolutely beautiful. There's a plane off in the distance, but it's nowhere near me. You may be able to hear it, but it's actually fairly far away. Camera down plus descend. Actually, he's flying overhead at my position now, and he's going away from where the drone is, and my drone's at 100 feet. He's probably up about, my guess is 800, 900 feet right now, so we are definitely fine. Okay, it is returning to the starting position, and we're finishing up second master shots. We have 54% battery left, which is fantastic. Okay, it is done. So we're going to go ahead and return to home.
Return to home.
I love this AR return to home. I'm singing its praises all day long. It is absolutely fantastic. Now, learned something new. Marcus was telling me, don't touch the pitch of the gimbal, because when it gets overhead, it's going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal by itself. And you can hear it. It is overhead, and here comes the pitch of the gimbal adjusting by itself. And thank you very much, Marcus, for that tip. That was awesome. See how good we do with the landing here. Like we're going to be spot on here. And it's looking really good here. All right, that was a very successful test of the master shots. We did the entrance clubhouse to the clubhouse, or to the development, and we also did the fountain there. And things came out great. That was absolutely awesome. question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mini 4 Pro Mastershots? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.